We are live. October 3rd, 2025. Let's get into the charts. NQ pre-market high 25199.75. Midnight open 25170.25. Pre-market low 25105.25. No elevated positions for me. 30 seconds left. As you can see, Reddit made a huge bounce. So let's see if it can kind of get back up to where it was before. It's going to be very tempting to not take any profits just to get out of the hole, but let's see. This is going to be about break even at the open. Qs. And we're off. Okay. It's going to have a very small position if it does decide to go. Just gonna wait the full minute. You never know what the Friday wants to bring. We're still in the range. Okay, we're gonna do the reverse. Sell one here. Sell another one here. We'll sell the last one right here. Great. Opening range break successful. Okay, now we have Reddit doing some Reddit things. Let's see if it wants to bounce. Absolutely great. Rocket up. See, people took their profits. It was a 30-point move. Oh man, people are just selling the heck out of it. Just based on the price action now, this looks like it's going to be a very rocky ride. Okay, right now all this doesn't mean anything. Okay guys, we're just waiting patiently now. Now is the patience game. Ooh, we have a lot of buyers. Ooh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Let's get back to the 4-hour chart. So 7. Reverse. Minus 10%. Oh, getting pummeled. All selling so far. All selling so far. Two, 6, 2, 5, 2, 4. So far, the first 15 minutes, nothing. Exactly where it opened. Exactly where it opened. You can see the huge 1 minute dump. I was not in the position. That's kind of why. Yeah, that's kind of why in the opening bell drive I take my positions off very quickly because it only lasted here, and then you had all of this Ewing action and then the mega dump. Okay, we have news. Is it gonna do anything? We are right back where we started. We're under the 21 moving average under VWAP, so it's still slightly bearish on the indices. Reddit has a mind of its own, so let's see where we head. I want to short this based on momentum here, but this looks like a slow grind higher. It hasn't printed out one red candle, so can't short it until that happens. I mean, I cannot short it until that happens because in these sideways markets, it loves to do those type of moves. I've just been watching it like a hawk. Yep, green candle after green candle. So none of these candles at the moment is telling me go short, even though you just printed all of this. You expect some follow through, but now you're reversing. We're about 50%. You have VWAP as the line. I mean, you have the 21 moving average as the line. This looks like a recovery as well. About the other side, yep, recovery. UNA, ooh, let's go. Let's go. Go. Everybody, let's go. Slow and steady. What was that? 0.99. Oh man, that. Everybody, let's go. Okay. Everybody, let's go. Well. Did it dump or something? Yeah, it literally gave up all that move. It looked like it was the start of the trend, but as long as it doesn't break above 207, then it's still slightly bullish, but 207 is the number. I prefer to short it here. If it does want me to short. Why am I shorting it? The orb is not in play. That's bullish. It's bouncing off the line. You gotta go bullish. Do I ignore this candle? Okay. You know what? This is one of those difficult charts to trade. I'm getting mixed signals. All of this is bullish. This is a bullish candle. If this stops right here, I would think it will want to go up as well. I need a solid bar like this 935 candle to be right here for me to take a short if I were to put on a position right now. But since it's not, I will not be putting on the position. That screaming even more bullish signs. Well, it's a neutral sign, but all the other candles right before were bullish. What is that? 500. 500. Oh. There we go. Oh, what? We're in a 40-point range. No need to put on a position. No need to put on a position. You don't need to force anything. You already made your small. You already made a small win for the day. Guys, I'm gonna call it here. 21 minutes. I don't like how our Friday is setting up at this 50-point range. Looks like it wants to break out, but 50-point range super slow, super slow. In terms of where this is at, this looks like a 50-minute orb on the downside unless it reverses. You do know I have a swing long position here for Reddit. Swing long position. Alright guys, I'm gonna take off. Hopefully you guys have been having a good week. You can see I'm still holding my long position for Reddit. The 14.3 is still in play. I was definitely on the left side of the V. Shout out to Lance. On that Wednesday, Thursday, I sat through it all, but still didn't hit my true stop loss, which is underneath all that. I should have gotten in on that Thursday. That is kind of, but still on the left side of the V. This is the right side of the V. Now it's beginning to swing back upward. That's where I should have started to get in. 75. Yeah, this is it where I should have gotten in. Alright, every day we're learning to become a better trader. Alright guys, if you made money so far, somehow in this 40-point zone, consider taking the day off or having a reduced position size. Don't let today ruin tomorrow or the month.